The topic that we are going to see is percentage. So first we have some important formulas of this topic percentage. First let us see the definition of percentage. So here percent means for every 100. So if we find any value for every 100, then that value is known as the percentage. So when percent is calculated for any value, then it means that we calculate the value for every 100 of the reference value. So percent is denoted by using this symbol. For example, x percent is denoted by this x percentage. So now we are going to see the second one. So here we have one important formula, that is x percent will be equal to x by 100. Because we know that percentage means we calculate the value for every 100, isn't it? So therefore x percentage means it will be equal to x by 100. That is, out of 100 we have x parts. So now for example, this 25% can be written as 25 by 100. Now if we cancel these two values by using the common factor 25, then we get 1 into 25 25, 4 into 25 100. So 25% will be equal to 1 by 4. So any percentage can be written as a fraction. Similarly, if we have 12%, then this means what? Then this means 12 percentage will be equal to 12 by 100. Now if we cancel these two values by using the common factor 4, then 3 into 4 12 and 25 into 400. So therefore the required fraction will be equal to 3 by 25. Suppose if we have 12 by 3 divided by 100, then this can be written as what? Then this can be written as 12 by 3 percentage. Similarly, 12 by 3% can be written as 12 by 3 divided by 100, and this will be equal to 12 by 3 into 100, 300. So this is how we have to express a percent as a fraction. So now we have the third one. Here we are going to see how to express this x by y as a percent. Here in the previous one, we have seen how to convert a percentage into a fraction, and now we are going to see how to convert a fraction into a percentage. So to express x by y as a percentage, we have x by y equal to x by y into 100%. So if we want to express x by y as a percent, then we have to multiply this by what? 100%. Then we will get the required answer. So here for example, let us take 1 by 4. So if we want to find out the percentage, then we have to multiply this by 100%. So 1 by 4 into 100% will be equal to what? Now if we divide this 100 by 4, then we get 25. So 25 into 1 will be equal to 25%. So therefore this is how we have to convert any fraction into a percentage. And now we have the fourth one. Here we are going to see how to find the value of any percentage of any particular value. So we are going to see the formula for finding value of x percentage of y. So now listen, we have one example. By using this example only, we are going to see how to find the value of x percent of y. And now we have the fourth one. Here we have the formula for finding value of x percent of y. So here the value of x percent of some quantity y will be equal to this x by 100 into y, because we already know that x percent can be written as x by 100, and at the same time this of operator is same as multiplication. So therefore we get the value of x percent of y is equal to this x by 100 into y. For example, let us take this one, that is value of 50% of 50, that is the value of 50% of 500 kg. So here we know that this will be equal to 50% can be written as what? 50% can be written as 50 by 100, and of operator is same as multiplication. So this into 500 kg. So this is what the required value. Now if we divide this 500 by 100, we get 5. So 50 into 5 will be equal to what? 250 kg. So therefore 50% of 500 kg will be equal to 250 kg. Similarly, if you want to find out the value of 25% of 100, then what will be the answer? Then it will be equal to 25 by 100 into 100, and if we cancel these two values, we get 25. So therefore 25% of 100 is 25. So this is how we have to find out value of some percent of given quantity. And now we have the fifth formula, that is the percentage error will be equal to the error value divided by true value into 100%. So if you want to find the percentage error, first you have to find out the error value, and we have to divide that value by true value, and if we multiply that by 100, then we will get the percentage. And now we have the sixth one. The sixth formula is here. If the price of a commodity increases by R%, the reduction in consumption so as not to increase the expenditure will be equal to R by 100 plus R into 100%. So this is what the formula for finding the reduction in consumption so as not to increase the expenditure when the price of commodity increases. And now the seventh one is here. If the price of commodity decreases by R%, then the increase in consumption so as not to decrease the expenditure will be equal to R by 100 minus R into 100%. And now the next formula is, if the population of a town is equal to P and it increases at the rate of R% per annum, then the population after n years will be equal to the initial population P into 1 plus this rate of increasing R by 100 whole power n. So this is what the population after n years. And now the ninth formula is here. If the population of a town is equal to P and it increases at the rate of R% per annum, then the population before n years will be equal to P divided by 1 plus R by 100. So now by using all these formulas only, we are going to see the problems. Now let us see some solved examples here. The first question is, two students appeared at an examination. One of them secured 9 marks more than the other and his marks was 56% of the sum of their marks. What are the marks obtained by them? So here listen, we have to find out the marks of two students and it is given that one of them secured 9 marks more than the other. So now by using this, what we are going to do is, we are going to take the marks as x and x plus 9. So let the marks be x and x plus 9. That is, if one student got x, then the mark of other student must be 9 more than x, which is x plus 9. So hence we have taken the marks as x and x plus 9. And it is given that his marks, here his represent this person, that is the person who got x plus 9 marks. So here this marks x plus 9 will be equal to 56% of the sum of their marks. So now what we are going to do is, we are going to find out the sum of their marks. So what will be the sum of their marks? It will be equal to this x plus this x plus 9. So here x plus x is 2x. So we get 2x plus 9 as the sum of their marks. So here we are going to use the second condition, that the second student's mark, that is x plus 9, is equal to 56% of the sum of their marks. So now this implies what? This implies x plus 9 and this is equal to, we already know that x percentage can be written as x by 100. So therefore this 56% can be written as what? 56 by 100. And off operator is same as multiplication. And what is the sum? The sum of their marks is 2x plus 9. So hence we get that this x plus 9 equal to 56 by 100 into 2x plus 9. Now by using this only, we are going to get the value of x. So here if we cancel these two values by using the fourth table, then we will get 14 by 25. So now if we bring this 25 to the opposite side, then we will get 25 into x plus 9 is equal to this 14 into 2x plus 9. Now 25 into x is 25x and 25 into 9 will be equal to 225. And 14 into 2x will be equal to 28x and 14 into 9 will be equal to 126. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to group the like terms. That is, we are going to bring this 25x to the opposite side. Here already we have 28x and if we bring this plus 25x to the opposite side, it will become minus 25x. And here similarly on the left hand side we have 225 and if we bring this plus 126 to the opposite side, it will become minus 126. So 225 minus 126 will be equal to what? It will be equal to 99 and 28x minus 25x will be equal to 3x. Hence we get 3x equal to 99. So by using this 3x equal to 99, we can get the value of x, isn't it? That is, if we divide both sides by 3, then we will get x is equal to 33. So we get the value of x. But here we should get the marks. Here we already know that the marks are x and x plus 9. So here the value of x is 33. So the marks will be equal to 33 and 33 plus 9. 33 plus 9 is nothing but 42. Hence the required marks are 42 and 33, isn't it? So therefore, out of these four options, which one will be the correct answer? Option A, that is 33 and 42 are the required marks. And now we are going